Hello everyone, welcome back to another video series in RGH 3101, and in this episode I'm going to demonstrate how to convert your OG Xbox game to work on your RGH 3 console. So first of all we need a particular file from GitHub, and this GitHub here, it actually have the files and the procedure needed to convert your original Xbox files into a format where ISO to God can actually read for you to do another conversion process. Most of the commands are done through command line, and one of the command that is actually important is this one. So we're not going to do all of this. I have an easier process that I came up with, but you will need the actual file from here. So you'll go to release, and you'll either grab the 64 or 32-bit release, depends on what your operating system is running, whether it's 32 or 64-bit. So once you download one of these, you'll get a folder with an exe file in it. So here I have created a folder, and this is the exe file that you'll get, which is 40 kilobyte. You'll need to create 3 additional folders. So you'll need a destination folder. This is where the converted ISO file that you'll be copying to your console. The destination ISO, this is the converted original Xbox ISO. And source, this is where you're going to place your original Xbox ISO. So if we go into the source, I have Halo 1 and 2, and that's what we're going to be using for this demonstration. I've also created a PowerShell with a UI interface to make things a lot easier and quite simpler. So let's launch that. Alright, so I've named this one ISO before God, because the other program that you'll be using to do the final conversion is ISO to God. So this is just me giving this name. So this UI is designed where you have your input folder. This is where all your original Xbox games are going to be in that folder. Your destination folder is where the converted files are going to basically be stored. Here we have processing mode, you have safe mode and fast mode. So safe mode will actually convert all the ISO in the input folder one by one. Fast mode is a parallel process because I've coded this to use multi-thread. And you can let this stay in auto, or you can choose the most thread you want to use. So let's go ahead, and we're going to add these folders here. As you can see, these folders are empty. Alright, so let's populate these here by clicking the browse. Alright, so now that we have our source or our destination, I'm just going to leave it in safe mode to do one at a time because it's more stable, and we don't have to really mess with this because we're not using fast mode. And I'm gonna open the destination so you can actually see when the file is converted and placed in here. So let's start the process. Here it's the button on the bottom that lets you know exactly what's happening, and with the progress bar. You can see the first one has been converted. All right, then we have the second one. All right, so we're finished with this. Close that now. So we're gonna open up ISO to God, and we're gonna add these two games to it. All right, so we have first one, and let's add Halo 2. And you see, it actually recognizes it. Add, and then we're gonna do our conversion process. This may take a while, so I'll just speed up the video a bit so you'll arrive when. All right, we're on the second one. And once this is all done, I will bring it over to the console and we'll test it out and see how it goes. Alright, so this is where the final one is going to be. So it's doing its thing. I can see the title ID actually match. It's in the folder. Okay, so now that we finish, we can close that. These are the two files we actually need. So I'm going to transfer them to a USB and bring them over to the console. So I'll see you over there. Alright, we're now on our console. We'll just be transferring those two files. And we'll be right back when it's all done. Okay, so we're all copied over. So we're just gonna do a scan. Okay, so let's go all the way to H. And we should see. There we go. Now let's see if it will launch. Because not all titles are compatible to launch. But there we go. So we have our OG Xbox running our RGH console. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.